Hi, welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. Today I am sharing with you my first haul from England. This one's from the range. I'm the Arty Crafty Alchemist. Let's get started. I managed to make it to 2 ranges in England, so this is a combined haul. And I don't remember which range I got which from. I got this ombre bright paper pad. It was £1 and it's got a little squished in my suitcase, but that's alright. So it had all these pretty ombre papers in it. 50 sheets, 10 of each design. This is the bright one. I actually got my cat is being a pain. This is the bright one. I actually got the pastel one from The Works, so we'll see that in another haul. I got 2 of these iridescent packets. I already had a look through this one, so we'll open this one up and have another look. I was given some, but it's so old that the iridescence is coming off the backing. But here, for probably half the amount of this, so about 10 sheets maybe if you're lucky, 8 to 10 sheets. This paper was from about 10 years ago and it was $9 a packet. And I got all of these, and there is 2 of each colour I believe, or 3 of each colour, I don't know. But there are all his different colours in here, and I got all of them, 20 sheets, for either £1 or £2. So I grabbed 2 of them because they die cut really nicely. Next, I got this itty bitty delicate rose paper pad. It has 5 times 20 designs. So there's 100 sheets and 5 of each. And I can't remember if this was £2 or £3, but I just thought that was really pretty and it had to come home with me. There was so many 12 by 12 stacks that I loved, but suitcase space. It was very lucky that mine and my daughter's suitcase amounts got to combine, because otherwise I would have been in trouble. Next, I have these Scooby-Doo stamps, which were marked down to £2.50. So of course I had to have them. Then there were these 3D butterflies, and I got the purple and the blues. There was lots of lovely colours and they were £1 each, but I was good and just got the purple and the blues. Maybe when I go back next time I'll find some other colours if they're still there. Next, I got this card kit. It has card bases. They are slightly glossy, and then there are some matte with a nice texture on these ones. I'm not sure if you can see that. Kind of like watercolour paper. Then there is ribbon, 4 A6 premium hammered white cards and 4 A6 premium white cards, 8 coloured envelopes. Yep, there's the 8 coloured envelopes, so you get 2 of each of the colours. We have a couple of itty bitty gems, the sentiment strip, happy birthday, thank you, celebrate just for you with love, from me to you, best wishes. And you have them in both the gold and the pink. And we've got a 2 from, thinking of you, thank you, and for the most special mum in the world. Then we have our toppers, best mum in the world, for the most special mum in the world, best wishes, I love you to the moon and back. And then we just have to you. You have 2 of them. And we have the decoupage sheets with our Teddy, and we have another one and 2 of each of those. I thought that was a pretty cool kit. It was marked down to £2.99, which is somewhere between $5.50 and $6. Next, I got the Me to You 36 pack of papers. The Me to You is carte blanche, and we have lots of little teddy cutouts in here to colour in. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't realise that was on the back before. And there are 3 sheets of each design, and they all have our little teddies on them. This one you could quarter and use. All very cute teddies. Not fussed on the background of that one, but that's just me. How many sheets were there altogether? 36 sheets. So 12 different papers, and then we've just got a random background bit, some more teddies, and teddies with love hearts. And there is nothing on the back of that one. Of course, if you want to cut around that teddy, you could use him as well. The first works I went into was in Southport, and it had lots of bargains. This is the Die Cut Decoupage Mega Pack Flower Fairies. I love these kits. This isn't a brand I've seen before. It says Flower Fairies. I'm used to seeing the Hunky Dory kits, I think. So this one has 18 papers, 6 designs, so it must be 3 of each. 9 decoupage sheets, 3 designs. one die cut topper sheet, one die cut sentiment sheet, and 2 alphabet and number sticker sheets. We have these beautiful decoupage fairies. Then there is another 3 of this beautiful design, and each one has 2 different fairies for you to decoupage, and it is very sturdy cardstock, nice and thick. And this is the 3rd set. Then we have the sentiment toppers, regular toppers with a couple of little sentiments in the corner, our sticker sheets, 1 letters and 1 numbers, and RD, TH, ST, big numbers, little numbers, punctuation. And then the papers. We have this beautiful purple one with the fairies, plain background piece with geometric shapes. This gorgeous dark one with little fairies on there. More fairies and flowers, plain flowers, and another plain flower sheet. And I have 2 more little paper pads. This is Soft Botanic. There's 5 of each sheet and 50 pages, so 10 different designs. Postcards, a pretty floral, another pretty floral with some script, leaves, pretty florals on some type of receipt or letter, waves with a postmark in the corner, butterflies, bike, bouquet, stamps. Have this, I'm not sure if that is green, black or grey, and white leafy floral design. This floral design with the bird in the corner and script in the background, and this floral page. And then I couldn't go past this one. This one was £1. I think that one was £1 as well, which is less than $2 here. Again, 50 sheets, 10 different designs, and I absolutely love this paper. How gorgeous is that? Triangles, another beautiful purple floral with butterflies, this gorgeous beautiful purple floral, purple polka dots, hydrangeas and butterflies, hydrangeas and hummingbirds, a distressed purple page, all different florals, and hydrangeas and dragonflies. Going to clear this off and then we'll look at the last few items. Next up, I have these 2 die sets. I got them for £5 each, which is less than $10 Australian. They each have these nice big sentiments in them. This one has thinking of you with sympathy and get well soon. And this one has happy birthday, best wishes with love and thank you. And I just like the nice big size of those, and considering for one of these sometimes we'd pay around $10, I thought it was a good bargain to get both packs of them. I did and about whether I liked them or not, but in the end I chose to get them. Next up, I found these shiny metallic watercolor paints, Art Sensations, and they look very much like Gunzai Tambi. They are even in the same sort of palettes. I thought for £3 I would grab them and give them a go. They are around 1/3 of the price of Gunzai Tambi, so I thought it would be a good idea to give them a go. And the colours don't look similar to any that I actually have in my Gunzai Tambi sets anyway, so it'll be interesting to see what they look like. And now I'm on to my little gorgeous girl haul. I grabbed this sticker sheet, which was down to £2. Don't usually like to pay this much for stickers, but it is double-sided and they are gorgeous girls and they are so cute. And both sides are the same. I didn't know that when I bought it. Didn't look that hard. I was in a bit of a hurry. Been shopping all day and doing all sorts of things, and so I was a bit exhausted. Then I also got these Christmas designs, and I think these were £2.50 or £3, I can't remember. Again, they are the same on both sides. They did have a packet that was all like this gold on blue, but it was very hard to read, so I didn't end up grabbing that one. I grabbed this itty bitty mini unicorn die, JoJo's Dreamland. It has an itty bitty flower die and an itty bitty unicorn in it. It was £2. I'm also curious to see if it will foil because it has an outer cutting edge and inner embossing edges. Then I had a bunch of these and I put most of them back because they were still close to $10 a set, and as much as I loved all the ones that I had the bee, I had the watermelon, I just thought I would grab the one that I wanted the most, which was hard to work out, but I absolutely love her, so I grabbed this one, which is Rosie, because I think she's beautiful and the frame will come in handy not just for her but for other projects as well. Then I grabbed these two itty bitty gorgeous packs. I can't remember how much they were. I think one was $3.50 and one was £4. I'm not sure. They were a little bit expensive for what you get, but I was on holiday and, you know, I don't get my hands on a lot of gorgeous girl stuff on sale, so I thought I would grab them. This one is the sticker sheets. There are 10 of each sticker sheet and it says 105 pieces, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 times 20 is over 200 pieces, so 400 pieces. So I don't know if I just got an extra fat pack or if that's the way it's supposed to be, but they are just adorable and I love them, and so they came home with me. And then I also got this itty bitty 4x4 paper pack, mostly because we have all the beautiful girls and I could trim them down if I wanted to. I'll have a look at each one. So we have a green one, a blue one, this one, I love this one. I think I have her stamp somewhere. This one with the balloons. We have the watermelon with gold. Half of these are foiled. We have this one with the gold foil. The bee, those two are the ones that I ended up putting back. Stars, best friends, and there we have the foiled version of the balloon girl, foiled version of the girl in the party dress, foiled version of the girl with the presents, the foiled version of the girl with the star, the unfoiled bee, the unfoiled heart dress, unfoiled watermelon, unfoiled stars, unfoiled best friends, and then the two of these that go together. I just really liked that pack and grabbed that. I thought they would make great toppers for cards and things, and I could trim down the ones I wanted to if needs be. And then one final thing from the range. This is a bunting pack, but I didn't buy it to really use as bunting, but these girls are huge. They are going to make huge cards and things if I make them as cards. Unfortunately, I broke my sticker. I was very disappointed that I did that. This was £8 down to £4. This was the last one they had when I found it, so I was very happy to grab it. Oh, her dress is still there. The watermelon girl, the girl in the heart dress with the hat, the bee, the party girl. We have some bunting. Oh, one of them's come out. We have the star girl, the party dress girl, another party girl, and the girl in the blue dress. So they are quite large and they are going to make very, very big cards. If you wanted to, you could split this one off and make a separate card and just layer these pieces up, and that would work great as well. I hope you enjoyed this look at my haul from the range. This is the first of my England hauls. I have 2, possibly 3 more go. Let me know below what your favourite item was. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to see more content like this, and hit the bell notification to know when new videos come out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.